Hey, Bubba does.
Hi everybody! Today we're going to be drawing BMO. I hope you'll follow along with us.
You need a pencil, a marker, and anything to color with.
Let's get started. We're gonna kind of go a little bit bigger. We're not going to do a tiny little character, so think kind of this shape, yeah.
Okay.
First we're going to start with his body. We're going to do the front panel.
Okay.
We're going to do a line like this. We're going to come down. And it's kind of rounded on the sides. Okay, once we have that, we're not going to ink this part, we're not going to give line art, but I just want to have a little bit of a guide coming out the back to show where we want these lines to go backwards and in just slightly to give perspective.
Okay.
So if they're coming in a little bit, and then we're going to do another rounded line, basically copy this part right behind, and it curves in where we gave our marks. And then at the top there's going to be just a little bit, and it curves in close but not all the way, and then we're going to do a small line to close that. And there we have our body. And so we can come back in and erase these guides. Oh, we'll leave the bottom one because that's the bottom email. Make sure we can see our sketch. Okay, now that we have the body, let's come in and draw the face. So we're going to do a little rounded screen. Awesome, looks great. Once we have that shape, we'll do the little face, this rounded line like this, and another one on this side for the smiley eyes, and we'll do a little smile here in the middle. Perfect.
Oh, that one's cute.
Perfect. Now, let's give all of the detail of the front of BMO, all these buttons. I'm going to start right here with this long rectangle. Do a circle. This shape right here on the side. And these two buttons here. Job. Now we have just a few more, a triangle here, a little circle, and then a bigger circle right there. Perfect. Okay, now let's add these details on the side of BMO's head or body. We have just a few circles on the side. I think this is his speaker. Perfect. And then we're going to write here on the side. It's hard to write sideways. O. And that O is where BMO's arm is going to come out of. So we'll have the hand coming up. Sketch it back down here. And then BMO has really tiny little fingers. We're going to do 3 bumps right at the end.
Too cute to mess up.
Perfect, that looks awesome. Then we're going to do another arm on this side pointing the other way. When we're designing characters, we like to find ways to add S-curves. If we just put 2 arms looking, just pointing straight up, it makes it really boring. And so
That's really cool to know.
the designers designed it like that specifically because it's more interesting to have that S-curve.
More feng shui.
Mm-hmm. So now we're gonna come down and do the little legs. Leggies.
Leggies. BMO's so cute.
And I gotta slow down and check lines so they're even. Perfect. And there we have our BMO.
Oh.
So now, let's ink him with our marker. So I'm gonna start kind of the same with what we did before with the front panel. Just like that. And back up. And start up at the top here with that one and come down all the way around to the bottom.
Perspective is always true.
It is. But you did a really great job. Okay. Now we're gonna start with the arm here and go up. Oh, I forgot to tell you to leave space, but you did it. Good job.
I almost cut.
The little fingies back in. And now we're gonna close off that arm with a rounded line and then do the circle around it for the O.
BMO.
And then while we're here, we're just gonna finish off the letters. Perfect. Finish the little sound holes for the speaker. Let's finish the arms and legs.
Okay.
Little fingies. Back up. The legs. Perfect. Okay. I think my little leg is a little kind of short on that side. And then we're gonna do the face. BMO's little screen.
It's like a baby.
And then the face.
I missed the belly. But
Oh, it looks good. Okay. Now to finish our BMO, we just need the little buttons. Awesome. That looks awesome. Okay. Now we get to color our BMO. So let's see. This time I'm gonna try some colored pencils. And there we have BMO.
Yay!
You did such a good job following along, Bella.
Thank you, Bubba. This was my favorite one.
Come back really soon so we can draw more characters. Bye.
Please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. This helps YouTube continue to share our videos so that more kids around the world can continue to learn how to draw with Bubba. Thank you!
Big box. Videos.